Hey everyone, this is Chris over at AceVacuums, your one-stop shop for all of your Miele vacuuming needs. Today we want to make a video. We get a lot of customers calling in and asking us on social media, emailing us about different and common issues that they're having with their Miele. So today we're going to just debunk some of that stuff and before you guys are thinking about throwing it out, getting rid of it, bring it into us to let us look at it first, because some of the issues that you may be facing are very easy repairable issues that are not too serious and can be done pretty much the same day. So as you guys know, Miele has uprights, they have canister vacuums, and they have robotic and cordless vacuums. A lot of the times people are bringing Miele vacuums in for loss of suction, or there's no suction at all. So again, just a reminder that on your lights on those Miele vacuums, you'll see that they have these little red indicator lights, bars that will fill up. They're either red or orange. If that's going all the way solid and you've replaced the bag, that typically means that you've got a clog. So if you have no suction, there's somewhere in that system there's a clog. Usually it's in the hose, or it's in the wand, or it's in the power head. Typically if you can pull the wand apart, look in it, see if there's anything in there, check inside the power head area, see if where the suction and dirt goes into that little hole there on the bottom, if there's anything clogging that or blocking that. Or you can have something in the hose which you could try to take another vacuum out and suck with it, whatever is out. If you can't get it out and you need to bring it to us, we can certainly do that for you as well too. A lot of the issues, some other issues that we see are rollers not spinning. Now it could be a simple belt replacement or roller replacement is sometimes what it is. Sometimes in rare instances these parts are all electronic. There's electric current going through the hose, through the wand, and all that type of stuff. You could either have a bad wand that has no electric current going through it, or the hose itself could be bad, in which case you'd have to replace it, and we do have replacement hoses and wands for pretty much all of those vacuums. So if your power head's not spinning, you have an electric power head like the 217, the 228, or the 236, and the roller's fine, the belts are fine, then typically we go through the process of checking whether it's the wand or the hose, and then do a process of elimination to narrow down what else it could be. Again too, if you don't have suction, I forgot to mention, sometimes it's good to remember to change those bags, and also make sure you're changing those filters out yearly. We do get people coming in for bad odors and smells in the vacuums. So sometimes you just have to make sure you're replacing those filters at least once a year to eliminate those bad odors. Some other issues we see is sometimes the cord winder's not going in, or it's stuck. If you can't get it to go in, or if it's stuck out in the out position, bring it to us. It could just be jammed up inside there and we have to reset it. Sometimes, on very rare instances, the cord reel does go bad, which means when you hit the retractor button, it's not retracting in. So sometimes those have to be replaced, in which we do all those repairs here in our locations, so you can bring those in. Another issue we see is the vacuum's not turning on. It could be as simple as a switch. Now those switches do often go bad, especially if you've had your Miele for years and years and years. Sometimes the power switch does go bad, and those are very simple replacements. You bring it to us, we'll pop a new switch on there and then get you out. The Mieles are very simple units. There's not a lot of components that on the inside of them. You have a cord reel, you have a circuit board, and you have a motor. So if it's not turning on and it's not the switch, then sometimes it could be the motor or the board. But those are very rare instances, because these motors do last absolutely a long time. And then on the wands, we see on those telescopic wands that they don't retract in and out. Most of the time it's just the switch mechanism on that button that you hit to retract it up and down. And we can replace those little buttons, and sometimes you have a little spring in there that maybe got pulled out, or it fell off, or it broke, and we can just replace that spring and put a new spring on there and put a new lock on there. Very few times do we have to see those come in and have to replace the ones, but it does happen. The neck assemblies on the power heads, sometimes those get broke, or it's not pulling back. So if you're trying to vacuum and you can't get it to pull back and lock in, it's called the detents. Those little detents get broke. It's from wear and tear use. There's really not a whole lot I can say on those, but it's from wear and tear use, and they're not an expensive fix at all. It's just a clear plastic little piece that's got to get replaced on the power head itself. So if you're having trouble pulling it back, or if it's not locking in, you probably need a detent, and again, we can put those in there for you as well too. Other than that, there's not too many other issues that we see with those Miele's. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 703-997-9292. Any one of our staff here can give you guys a hand and help you out with whatever you need. All of our estimates are free, and we're open 7 days a week, so give us a call or stop in. If you're having an issue with your Miele, again, don't throw it out. Let us look at it first and make sure we can get it fixed before you decide to purchase a new vacuum or throw that one out. All right, guys, thank you for watching the video. If you have questions, let us know. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, as well as follow us on YouTube. Have a great day.